The next thing we want to do is get the drawing to save when we press a save button. In the main storyboard, I'm going to make that button. I'm going to make a button that looks like this, save, and then a button that looks like this, which is going to retrieve the images. To make the save button, I'm going to go to my library, grab a button, and write save. To get that plus, what I did is I went into my text editor. I went to math symbols, and I was looking for something that looked like a plus, so I took that one. So I just double clicked on it with the text editor open, and it drew in the text editor my symbol. So then I just copy that symbol. I made a new button. I double click to write something. I just pasted that button in. It's kind of small, right? So if I leave it like that, that might be a bit small. I might make it bigger. Just line these things up so their centers are aligned. Let's zoom in on that a bit. So I'm just using the arrow keys to line up the centers. Like that. Then I want to connect my save button into my view controller. Drag that over like that. And this is going to be save drawing. I'm going to connect the plus button, and this one will be get drawing or get image or get photo. And then we can connect that. In order to save stuff to and from the photos, we have to turn our view controller into a UI navigation controller delegate that allows us to get stuff to and from the photo gallery. We also need a UI image picker controller delegate. I'm going to start typing UI navigation controller delegate. That's right here. Double click that, and then UI image picker controller delegate. That's what we're after. Back down here into our save drawing, I'm going to write UI image write to save photos album. Or I'm going to start to write it. Hopefully it'll start to complete that for me. There it is. We're going to save the image we're saving is our draw image, which we defined in our paint view. The completion target is, everything else is empty, so we write nil. There's no completion target. Completion selector, nil. There's none of that. Context info, nil for all that. We have to deal with the alerts because we have to tell the user, not Nix, but nil. We have to tell the user that we're going into the photos, and then they have to select a photo. So we use alerts to do that. Fortunately, Apple's made all the alerts for us. We just have to tell the program that we're using them. So we're going to make an alert. So let alert is equal to UI alert controller, open bracket, and then it should complete the code for us with the title and all of that stuff. So we're going to go for the third one. And the title is going to be the title of our alert box, which we're going to call saved. The message that we're going to send to our user is going to be your drawing has been saved. And keep that lowercase, drawing has saved. Our preferred style is .alert. And what happens when we press the OK button? There's some sort of action that has to happen when we press OK. Let OK action. That is going to be a UI alert action with the title and all that stuff. So the title is going to be, you can write anything you like, but I'm going to write OK like that. And the style is .default. Our OK alert looks like any other OK alert, and the handler is nil. And then we have to do alert add action. Add action, and the action we're adding is our OK action. We're adding the OK button to our alert. Self.present, so this view controller will present it. So self referring to the view controller we're in, present, this one. So the view controller that we're presenting is our alert, and animated is going to be true. On completion is nil. Okay, then we can run that. Here's our drawing program. And if I press save on that, saved, your drawing has been saved. And there's our OK button. And if we click that, and then OK, and it has saved. If I go to the hardware and I go to home, let's go to the next screen, look at the photos, inside the photos. There it is. There's the photo we just made.